Hey everyone, welcome back. Is base draining your iPhone's battery even when you're not actively using it? Here's how to stop it from running in the background and eating your battery. All from iPhone settings. First, go to your settings app, scroll down and find base in the app list or just directly search for it. Tap on it and look for background app refresh. Turn it off. This stops Base from continuously checking in the blockchain for new transactions, price updates, and balance changes while you're not using the app, which is one of the biggest hidden battery drains for crypto wallets. After turning that off, go back to the main screen, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security, then tap Location Services. Scroll down to find Base and then check what it is set to. If it shows always, change it to while using the app or never. A wallet app really needs location access at all, and having it set to always means it's running and checking location continuously in the background. After making these two changes, go to your settings app again, scroll down, and you'll see Base's battery usage drop noticeably within a few hours. All you've got to do is go to settings, Base, turn off background app refresh, then Privacy, Location Services, set Base to while using or never. Battery drain will be stopped, and that's it. Subscribe.